Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Central. In today's video, I'll show you how to download your tax return on Turbotax 2025 in just a few simple steps. Whether you need it for personal records, loan applications, or tax reviews, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tax-related guides. First, go ahead and open your browser and go to the TurboTax website. Click on the sign in at the top right of your screen and enter your username and password and then click sign in. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the security check. Once you're in, you'll be on your TurboTax dashboard. Now let's find the tax return. On the dashboard, look for your tax returns and documents. Click on it and select 2024 if you're looking for last year's tax return. If you filed multiple years, you'll see past years listed as well. Now let's download it. Under the 2024 section, look for the download or print return PDF. Click on it and your tax return will open in a new tab or download automatically. If it opens in a new tab, click on the download icon in the top right corner. And that's it. You have a PDF copy of your tax return. That is how you download your tax return on TurboTax. Super easy, right? This video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tax and finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.